Hello friend, welcome you all. Today we are going to learn about the botanical insecticides which is used in the integrated pest management. So let us start. Which are the different botanical insecticides or plant originated insecticides we can use in the integrated pest management techniques? Here this is the nothing but the outline of this lecture. Uh, in that the first one is what are the botanical insecticides or what is mean by plant originated insecticides? This is nothing but the naturally occurring chemicals or insect toxins extracted or derived from the plants or minerals, and they are also called as natural insecticides. It means that plant originated insecticide is also called as botanical insecticides and also called as natural insecticides, and it is derived from the some of the different plant parts, that plant parts having a some of the insect toxins, that toxins it is effect on the insect populations. So these are the some of the historical events or historical milestone in the pest management related to the we can say that the botanical insecticides. Here also the some of the milestones related to the botanical insecticides. These are some of the properties of the botanical insecticides. The botanical insecticide having a fast breakdown insecticides, then having the fast actions, then it should be or it having we can say that is selective. It only attack on that selective insecticides, sorry, selective insects. Then it should be very toxic in nature. Then there is no phytotoxicity is occurs, and it should be very reasonable and easily available. Then this is the classification of botanical insecticides based on the physiological activity. Six groups, namely, in that the first one is repellent, and in that repellent, these are the some of the we can say that the insects, against that insects we can use a repellents. Then feeding deterrents or antipedants. For example, here the azadirachtin, it is we can say that act as a feeding deterrents or antipedants against the different insects. Then toxicants, here the nicotines it is especially used as a toxic agents against the different insect pests. Then natural grain protectants is also the one of the we can say that the kernel powder or neem seed kernel powder or oil we can use a natural grain protectors. Then chemosterilant or reproduction inhibitors, here the pyrethrum, rotenone and the nicotine are the very effective against the different insect pest population as a chemosterilant. Then last group is insect growth and development inhibitors, here the neem is very effective. Here these are the different botanical insecticides we can derive from the different plants, that is the neem, rotenone, sabadilla, rhinodine, then tobacco, pyrethrum and citrus. Here botanical pesticides used to control the different insect pest population. Here the nicotine is specially used against the different sucking pest and caterpillar also. Rotenone is also used against the different sucking pest and beetles also. Rhinia it is specially used against the we can say that the caterpillars. Then sabadilla, pyrethrum, essential oils and neem products is also effective against the different insect pest populations. The first and most important botanical insecticide is that the neem, and the neem is nothing but this the scientific botanical name of neem is Azadirachta indica, and which is indigenous to India, having the various medicinal and insecticide values. Nowadays this neem it is assuming as an international tree because all parts of the neem possess a insecticidal activity, but seeds are main source which is more effective. The azadirachtin, the main active ingredient present in the neem, with other alkaloids like limonoids and the protolimonoids, which shown repellent, antipedant, and insecticidal activity. The antipedant activity against the desert locust, which is shown by the Pradhan et al. In 1962. It is used as a growth inhibitor, cause egg sterility and adverse effect on the fecundity. It means that the neem having a we can say that the azadirachtin it is active ingredient, it is mostly present in the neem seed, and it is derived from that different neem we derive from that neem. Then here the concentration of this neem seed kernel based on EC and oil. Okay, neem oil, neem cake, neem kernel extract and the suspension are mostly used. For example, here in the market, there are some of the trade names: Groning, Nimazole, Achuk, and Nimbecidine. For the integrated pest management view, the 5% neem seed kernel extract, it is mostly used in IPM techniques. This is the preparation of neem seed kernel extracts. 500 to 2000 ml per tank or 10 liters per capacity. This is the flow chart, or this is the, we can say that the protocols for how we can prepare the neem seed kernel extract with the help of this neem seed. Then these are the some of the commercially available neem based product or neem based pesticides in the markets. Then how these other directed it attack on the insects? It means that what is the mode of action of this? It affect the insect vigor, longevity, and the fecundity. Then anti-fidin actions, insect growth regulator activity, oviposition, deterrent, repellent action, reduction of lifespan of these adults, and intermediate formation. It is very effective against the all the life stages, larva and adult mostly. Next is that rotenon. This rotenon, it is derived from the roots of bean legume, that is the Dedis elliptica. And the active ingredient present in the rotenon is that rotenon is isolated by the scientist Geoffroy. It is a broad spectrum contact and stomach poison, and it is very effective against the sucking pest and the caterpillars. If you see the mode of action of this rotenon, it inhibits the respiratory metabolism and electron transport chain in the mitochondria. It is used as a dust formulation, 0.75 to 1.5% rotenon. And most important is that the rotenon has been used an organic pesticide dust for garden, and it is extremely toxic to fish, hence used as a non-selective pesticides. Pesticides means are those chemical which is very effective or kill the fish. Okay, and the rotenon is also used in a powder form to head lice on humans and parasitic mites on chickens, livestock, and the pet animal also. This is the bean legumes. From that roots of the bean legumes, we can derive the rotenon. Then sclerocytes. These are the, obtained from the bulbs of red squills, Argina martimi. The active ingredient present in the sclerocytes, which is generally used as rodenticides, and it is the stomach poison and is control the rats and mice. In this picture, you can see here. This is the red squill plants. Then Sabadilla, it derived from the seeds of the tropical lily, and the alkaloid present is that the savadine plus veratridine is equal to veratrine. Okay, it is a contact poison, and if you see the mode of action, it is a nerve cell membrane actions causing the loss of nerve cell membrane action, causing loss of nerve function, paralysis, and death of that particular insects. And it is synergized by the PBO or MGK 264. Then rhinodine. It is extracted from stem, roots, leaves, and stalk of tropical South American shrub of Rhinia speciosa. And main active ingredient present is that rhinoids, and it acts as a muscular poison by blocking the conversion of ADP to ATP in a striated muscles and showing a effect like a stomach poison. It is very effective against the larva of the Lepidopteran insects, and it is used as a dust 20 to 40% in concentration. The next one is the nicotine. It is obtained from tobacco plant. Nicotiana tabacum and Nicotiana rustica are the most important source, and if you see the mode of action, it is mimics acetylcholine in the nerves synapse, causing the tremors, loss of coordination, and the eventually death of the insect occurs. Then this nicotine is also used as a fumigants, or also used as a we can say that the dust in nicotine sulfate, and nicotine is as a fumigants. It is available as nicotine sulfate 40%, black lip 40, and target pest are the different sucking pest. Then pongram, these are derived from the Pongamia pinnata, that is nothing but the currants, and active ingredient present in that pongram, it identifies as a currangine. Nowadays, the currant oil is applied as a surface protectant and repellent against the different insect pest population, and it is very effective against the sucking pest and the false beetle. Next one is the pyrethrum. It is derived from the chrysanthemum flowers, and active ingredient present in that pyrethrins, and the mode of action of the pyrethrins is that the pyrethrin exert their toxic effect by disrupting the sodium and potassium ion exchange process in insect nerve fibers and interrupting the normal transmission of the nerve impulses. Okay, and the pyrethrins applied with a piperonil butoxides. Then it is very effective against the soft bodies insect and lepidopteran insects also. The next one is the limonene and the linalool. It is nothing but the citrus peel extracts, and this citrus peel extracts is the very effective against the different sucking pest and act as a nerve poisons or nerve toxins and stomach poison also. Affect ion transport and release of the acetylcholine esterase. The next one is these are some of the other essential plant oils or herbal repellents and insecticides. In that, oils of the cedar, lavender, eucalyptus, these are some of, or citronella, these are some of the oils used as repellents. Then it is effective against the different pests and humans to repel the fleas and mosquito also. Citronella oils is also sold in the market in the form of candles. Okay. Then these are some of the mechanism of action of the pesticides of the plant origin, and it is how these plant originate insecticides attack on the insects or target sites. This is the utilization of botanicals in the pest management. How we can utilize, we can use a direct spray application of extracts of biologically effective plant products, use as oil amendments. The intercropping or mixed cropping is also used there. Use as grains and potato protectants against the insect in storage. Then use as synergies. Then use of a botanical based synthetic or commercial formulation, neem and tobacco. Okay. Then these are some of the neem extracts or recommendations. It also is there in particular crops against the particular pest. This is also the recommendation. Then these are some of the advantages of the botanical insecticides over the synthetic pesticides. Low mammalian toxicities, thus constitutes least or no health hazards and environmental pollutions. No risk of developing pest resistance, less hazard to non-target organisms, no adverse effect on the plant growth and seed viability and the cooking quality of the grains, less expensive and easily available. Okay, these are some of the advantages, and these are the some of the drawbacks also is there. Which are the drawbacks? Sustainability of the botanical resources, then standardization of the chemical complex extracts, regulatory approval, rapid degradation, market opportunity for botanical pesticides, and weather condition is also one of the most important drawback. Then these are the integration with other tactics. It means that how we can use these botanical insecticides in the integrated pest management techniques. Okay, thank you.